Hello everyone. Happy August 30th. Today we celebrate rescue heroes, self-care rituals, and soulful snacks. Let's explore 3 inspiring events. These celebrations make great moments to gift someone, even without a special reason. But if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting events are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Grief Awareness Day. A gentle reminder to support those navigating loss. A perfect gift could be a comforting book, a candle set, or a handwritten letter of love. How do you hold space for others? Let us know in the comments. Next, it's National Beach Day. A celebration of waves, sunshine, and sandy toes. A thoughtful gift could be a beach blanket, sunscreen kit, or a coastal getaway voucher. Got a favorite shore memory? Tell us where you go right now. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later. And finally, it's Toasted Marshmallow Day. A delicious nod to campfires and coziness. A great gift could be a marshmallow roasting kit, flavored marshmallows, or a fire pit party set. How do you toast yours, light golden or totally charred? Let's compare techniques. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for October 1st to 5th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome!